Why Japanese women never get fat and live the longest. Their secret: the average lifespan of Japanese women is 84 and they are the longest living women in the world. Moreover, they are known for their everlasting youth. It is all due to their cuisine, which is one of the healthiest cuisines in the world. Hence, their secret for longevity, health, and resistance to aging is due to the healthy diet. The Japanese cuisine is delicious, satisfying, and nutritious. It doesn't trigger obesity, and it slows down the aging process. However, the Japanese cuisine isn't only about sushi and raw fish. Instead, it is a combination of simplicity, nature, and traditional values. The Japanese diet keeps people slim, youthful, and healthy. The secrets of Japanese women. 1. A diet based on fish, soy, rice, vegetables, and fruits. The home-cooked Japanese meal is based on these ingredients. Their simple cooking, such as grilled with steamed rice and simmered vegetables, is a great meal which is beneficial for the overall health. 2. Small portions. Their portions are small and served in beautiful and small bowls. They consider the beauty of the serving to be very important. 3. Rice with every meal. Consuming rice with every meal instead of bread will eliminate the need for bread. Moreover, they are similar in their nutritional value. 4. Breakfast is very important. Japanese people start their day with a home-cooked breakfast, which reduces snacking throughout the day. 5. No processed food and regular exercise. In Japan, people eat less refined and processed foods. Additionally, their diet is lower in sugar and fat. Hence, combining a healthy diet with regular walking, cycling, and gardening is the key to long life. 7 key foods of the Japanese diet. These 7 foods are extremely important for the health. Incorporating them into the daily diet will make you look young and promote your health. Therefore, make sure you regularly consume fish, such as salmon and tuna, which are packed with omega-3 fats, essential for a healthy heart and mind. Vegetables because they contain vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, and fiber. Rice, especially brown rice, is rich in carbohydrates. It has little sodium, salt, saturated fat, trans fat or cholesterol. Soybeans are great due to the isoflavonoids which can lower the rates of breast and prostate cancer. Noodles are low in fat and full of filling carbohydrate. Tea can keep your heart healthy because of the flavonoids it contains. Fruit is crucial to the diet because it is packed with vitamins, minerals, and protective